I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs top out in the upper 80s to the 90s, thunderstorms developing over northern areas of Nebraska continue to track to the southeast through tonight. All areas except for northwest Kansas are in at least a slight risk for severe storms, a level 2 of 5. Central and eastern areas that are along and east of a line from Thetford to Broken Bow, Grand Island, Hastings, Superior, Concordia, and Manhattan are in a higher enhanced risk, a level 3 of 5. Hazards include Gulf Ball-size hail, wind gust over 70, and a low risk of a tornado. With numerous disturbances tracking to the southeast, spotty thunderstorms and a low risk of severe weather remain possible for tomorrow through the middle of next week. In behind a cold front, our highs cooling mostly to the 70s for tomorrow through Monday. A building ridge of high pressure warming those highs into the upper 70s to the 80s Tuesday and Wednesday, and the 90s by Thursday. For the long-term forecast, temperatures in Nebraska and Kansas Wednesday through the first day of summer on June 20th, likely to be warmer than normal by the first day of summer in central Nebraska. Typical daytime highs are in the mid-80s with average overnight lows around 60. Despite the warmer outlook, Nebraska and Kansas rainfall likely to remain near normal for Wednesday through June 20th. Key weather factors influencing the markets include increasing rain chances in the U.S., Europe staying overly wet, and hot and dry weather for the Black Sea region. Across areas of the central and southern plains, highs today approach or reach 100, favoring the maturing of winter wheat, but increasing moisture demands for summer crops. The next focus for significant rainfall is the nation's midsection, including portions of the central plains and lower Missouri Valley, starting later today. This weekend and early next week, rain leaves an area from the central and southern plains into the Tennessee Valley, expecting 1 to 3 inches of rain, along with locally severe thunderstorms. Early season heat in the western U.S. eases slightly this weekend, but only to return next week. Brazil's dry weather and increasing temperatures continue to be unfavorable for second crop corn that is still immature, but most of the crop is heading toward maturity and early harvest is underway. Southern Brazil is seeing floodwaters recede and soils dry out, helping the wheat planting to start. Argentina's dry conditions favor corn and soybean harvest, but not the planting of wheat and establishment. Rain in southern Argentina this weekend and next week is expected to be too light and unfavorable for the wheat. Across Europe, scattered rain continuing into next week keeps some areas too wet but helps other locations. The Black Sea region is mostly too hot and dry for heading winter wheat and developing corn. Favorable rain is limited to the northwest Black Sea region, while key wheat areas to the south and east stay hot and dry. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.